ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Lower lash lang. Dun wala na. Dumidikit.
Ayun, tapos na guys.
Dikit na siya sa taas. Ayun yung maganda.
Kasi dito, sobrang tawa dito. Dito, okay na.
Naunahan ng tawa.
Naunahan ng tawa. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, di ba? May lashes na tayo. Good morning guys. Dito pala ako sa shed. May kukunin ka daw sa caravan. Yung, yung skincare ko, yung sunscreen ko na dito yung isa. Tapos pupunta rin ako ng shop kasi may bibilhin tayo kung mayroon sila. Ako pala. And walang tao dito. Si Jan lang ang natutulog dito sa caravan ngayon. Kasi nasa akin si Sa, tapos si Holly, tapos si Kuya nandun sa shed, sa swag niya. Kunin ko lang yung ating skincare. Dito. Dito to. Nakuha ko na yung dapat makuha dito sa caravan. Ay, kumuha rin akong jats. Eh, nakaligo na pala tayo. Tapos, nag wavy curl lang tayo dito sa baba. Si Kuya wala dito ata. Nasa tawag na? Park. Skate park. Today pala is January 2 na. Ang bilis. 2 na agad. Punta muna ako dito sa general store. Ayan, kuha tayo mamaya nitong bread rolls. Chives. Hi!
Something else I'm addicted to spring onions at the minute. It goes into everything.
Same. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ito nakuha natin. Walang chives. Okay. Bagong deliver din yung tinapay nila from Baker's Delight. Ayan. Tonight, we're going to the pub. Nagtatanong sila kung ano yung lulutuin ko. This pub here. Naghiwan ako yung celery na binili natin. And sana dumating na si Jim. Paris din ang mag-crack. Ito ng lobster. Ito. Para siya mag-crack. Friday ba ngayon? Is it Friday today, Holly?
Yeah. No.
What? Thursday? Yeah. Thursday today. Okay, ang laki.
Let me see.
What's that? Yeah. Do you see my gold phone, Holly? No. No? I haven't seen it for a long time.
Like a coffee tray?
Yeah. Where's that? Can you find it? I think the race. No, it's in here. Not here.
Thank you.
Ito yung sauce para sa lobster roll. Is it big? It's huge. Yeah, very big. Spiky too, you're right. Oh yeah, look at the cute. What's this? It's spiky. It's already dead.
And I think that
No,
Mom and I are
it's cool,
proof
it's
that a
cool.
grandma and a
Don't
stay-at-home
touch it,
mom
Mama.
can become an
It's
overnight
cool.
success.
What is it, guys?
What is it? Dinosaur? Okay, come here. Go,
Is
mommy,
it a
come here.
dinosaur, Arlo?
Go look at mommy. Come on.
It's a dinosaur. It's
Is it a
dinosaur.
dinosaur? Huh?
Yeah.
Dinosaur?
Gotta
Touch
pat-
it.
pat the
Touch
dinosaur,
it.
pat
Touch
it.
it here.
Is he
Oh,
hard?
dinosaur.
Is he hard?
Is it
Oh.
hard? Look
So-
at the tail.
It's a little dinosaur. It's a
This
baby
one, look
dinosaur.
at this. Look.
Cheese.
This one.
Teeth.
This one.
Is it scary?
Is it scary? Yeah.
Cheese that.
Do you,
T-Rex.
do you want to hold him?
You wanna hold?
Did I hold it?
You wanna hold? Here.
Oh no. Is he heavy?
It's heavy. You wanna hold
Hold
it?
it, hold it.
Hold it, baby.
No.
Nandidiri man siya, oy. Is it fun, Ala? Hello.
Oh no.
This is what Tito Jang caught.
Yeah.
Who caught
You
this
know,
one?
It's a sea monster.
It's yummy. Yeah, it's
It's a yummy monster. Do you want to eat the monster, Arlo?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look. It's not moving anymore.
Is it spiky, Arlo?
look at his big arms. Look at his long arms.
Look, Arlo.
Ah,
He's
oh.
gonna. He wants a hug.
He's gonna claw you.
He wants a hug. Can you hug? Come here.
No.
Hug.
Where are you going?
Where you going?
Where are you going?
Arlo, 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 Arlo. First time nila to,
Don't be
no?
scared, yeah.
No, it's not scary.
Try it later, okay?
You won't like it.
Yummy lobster. You might. Okay, don't touch this. Mommy's using this.
Ay, ang laki guys. Nagataan ko yung ano, yung ulo, tapos yung tail kay Dan, tsaka kay Dan.
Mas malaki talaga yung ano mo, brush.
Mas malaki.
Maliit
Kaya
kasi.
mas malaki nga yan. Oh, wala naman. Inanap niya din nung isang araw, di ba?
Ah, so separate yung batok niya talaga?
Hindi naka-attach. Sa inyo, di ba? Open. Oo.
Travis and Ron. Courtney has still yet to show. And Mason just took his photograph. Oh, he's photographing baby card with Penelope. Kris Jenner spotted here with Corey Gamble in one of the most low-key Christmas Eves ever. And this is what we get when Khloe Kardashian does in a jet thing.
I'm not sure, but yeah, January sometime.
Lalaro silang kabias. Caravan? Caravan. Si Zach nandun sa loob. Kinuha niya ng shapes. Inutusan siya ni Zach. Inutusan niya si Ayla. Touch, come on! And ayan, nahiwa ko ano lang ako ng garlic. Tapos ito yung sauce. Mayo lang to. Tapos may celery. Wala akong chives, pero naglagay ko yung avocado smash na spices. Tapos lemon zest and lemon. Tapos salt and pepper. And konting sugar. Just a pinch of sugar. Muscato kagabi, Doy.
Hindi mo naman inuubos. Ako lang inuman ina.
Inubos ko din.
Hindi
Yung
mo-
pagdating. Bala ka siya galing.
Hindi na Ayla don't like.
Si Ayla nandadamay. Only for kids. Kids don't lie. Adult can sometimes. Nag-ano na pala ako, magsusutay na tayo ng lobster. And butter.
Para saan na yan?
Eto na, yung parang
Sa
i-drizzle.
gata? Ah, hindi pa.
Hindi pa? May butter ba ang gata natin?
Hindi ko alam.
Ang tawag nito, kasi i-drizzle ko to doon. Isusutay ko
Okay.
yan. Tapos i-drizzle ko sa...
Yeah, go. Did I leave anything there?
Sorry?
Ito na yung tail ng lobster. And ito na yung garlic butter kong i-drizzle mamaya sa rolls. Wala pa si Jan. Gawang ko na si Danny Boy.
Yeah, so that haven't sat still for a while. Just start again.
Pinipikos ko lang ng konti ng bread.
No, use what's there. This is my spinning chair too. Yeah, there you go. Just spinning chair. Okay.
Yan siya, hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo guys, but i-drizzle natin siya nitong ginawa kong butter, lemony, garlicky. Ayan, hindi nyo makita ang puti. Ayan. Pure lang to, walang walang Danny Boy. Time out ka ni Arlo. Si Arlo na nag-decide. Ayan.
Thanks, Jenna.
No worries. Lutuin na natin yung lobster sa kangkong na may hantak kung sa Bicol or green bean, sitaw. Dito na pala si John. Ayan yung kay Johnny Boy. And ayan na yung kangkong. And meron ako dyan na gata. Bigay ko lang to kay Johnny Boy. Ang dami nang naganap. Si Dodong, kung alam nyo lang, panoorin nyo kay Sisi. Ang cute ni Arlo. Nandun siya sa sari-sari store. Sinama siya ni Sak. Tinanong siya ni Sak. Diretso siya sapatos. Hindi siya nagpaalam sa mama niya. Siya na lang. Nagsariling sikap siya. Yeah. Tinanong siya ni Sak. Di ba nakandong? Yeah. Akala mo naman, binata na siya. Tapos si Jan, umalis na kasi matutulog yun. Hinahabol yung maabutan niya yung mga bata sa siya para bilhan niya ng ice cream. Ang cute. At saka si Taj, buti na hindi rin nag-holiday si Taj kasi lagi lang nandito. Ang bait, sobra. Nagdagan ko pala yung ating lulutuin na gata. Naglagay akong crabs kasi may crabs ako kung maalala nyo yung kalahati ito. Ayan, naubos ko na. Yung blue crab to. Tapos yung lobster na ulo, yun ang ilalagay na. Nagkulot ako pero hindi ko siya nilagyan ng spray net guys. Kaya ay nabagsak na siya. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ang galamay. Ay, okay. Oh. Wala naman yan. Ulo lang yun. Hindi naman natin. Ayan, ang importante. Lagay tayong konting sugar para ma-balance. Narinig ko yung gate eh. Tapos wala pa na. Wala pa. Narinig ko yung gate. Sabi pa naman ito mag yung gulay. Sus, yung ulo hindi na kasya mga sis. Ayan ba? Ibabaw ko na lang yan. Kasi ang ito na natin ito. Please. Oh, good job, dude!
That is
My
so sweet!
flowers! Where's my flower sock?
Oh, Tita Manay!
Did Daddy buy ice cream? Where's Dong Dong ice cream?
I got all the lollipops there.
I know, I saw
Where's your
that
ice
you
cream?
made.
I didn't want
Aw, that is so
I
sweet!
didn't want it. Oh, ayaw nilang ice cream.
Yeah.
Ayan, sobrang kumukulo na yung ating gulay. Ay, gulay. Lobster. Lagay na natin yung gulay. Natabunan na siya. Kain na natin ito. Diyos ko, Day. Kakayanin ba natin ito? Ubusin.
Puro lobster yan?
Ang lobster, dinagyan kong crabs. Ating ginataang lobster na may crabs. Ayan, ang laki niya. Dinagay ko yung shells, tsaka yung ulo. And meron din akong hinuwang mga fruits. Ayan. Para sa mga bata. Yeah. Ayan yung table natin, guys. So, ayan. Nilagay ko na dito yung fruits. Ang dami pa nating fruits na kakainin. But, ayan. Yung ating ulam. Nasa caravan kasi, ayan.
Sabi ko muskato, sabi ko muskato, sabi ko, hindi pala tayo marunong mag-open, no?
Oo nga, kasi may ano yung cork ba yun? Ayan, kain. Dong! Sige, be. Please. Good, Dong? Okay, very good. Happy yan? Thumbs up? Good. Ano lang tayo, calamari.
Kasi feeling ko hanggang alas 4 nakaupo pa din tayo dito.
Feeling ko din. Guys, kain na kami doon sa Sisi sa kabila.
And thank you very much.
No worries. Kain, guys. Ay, nako. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung unahin.
Oh my gosh, ang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng... Kailan ba last kakain ng lobster? And iba to ngayon. Yung paborito kong ginagawa niya, yung garlic,
Pepper.
pepper sauce. Ngayon, ginataan niya, guys.
Para may iba naman.
Talaga. Kaya pa ba ng jeans ni Mommy today? Hindi, ito pa yung first kain ko. Nagkape lang ako kanina. Alright, what are we gonna...
Sabaw.
Sabaw to.
Oo, hindi ko rin nagkasala pa, hindi tayo mahirap
Busog
pa.
ako agad.
Sabaw pa lang nga.
Ay, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sarap.
Thank you, Lord, for the food.
Gusto ko crab.
Oh, yeah?
Kasi nagganyan ako, di ba?
Sige na.
Mag-try, yan, ano
Hindi
yan?
man to crab.
Hindi, yung ano yan, yung laman sa ulo. Yung sa ulo niya yan.
Sige na. Sige. Tapos may ano pa?
Kangkong.
Kangkong. Ang
Saka
sarap.
sitaw.
May sitaw din? May sili pa. Kain!
Kain
Thank you,
tayo, guys.
kids, for being good. Thank you, Laling. Beautiful.
Yung si Arlo, buong
Kaya na
fruit plato yung kanya. Sarap. Kaya masarap to, may kasama ka talaga. Walang sinusolo. Ayun, may hinahanap na.
Sobrang malaman ng ano.
No? Sa ulo kasi yun.
Look at me, I put this on just for you. Can't you see? Don't wanna think too much, just want your touch. Oh, never. Keep it real with me, though it is such a baby. Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your secrets. Don't worry, I'll keep it. Oh baby, 내게 변해줘. 세게 안아줘. 같이 있어줘. Oh 너와 이 밤을 보내고 싶은 내 말이야. Things have been complicated, baby. What do they
Dito na sila. Umalis sila, galing silang town. Can you, no, just grab it, Baba, because it's heavy. Which one you want, Baba? Grapes? Grapes sa Ate Holly. Galing sila sa town. Yum, yum. Move there, Ate Holly, so Ayla can...
You're not safe.
yeah, they're right.
Babe, you have to clean up.
No, it's only little.
I look there.
No, it's alright. Just a little bit of rice. Okay, here, Ayla. Ate Holly.
I know.
Where's your Ayla? Come on, Ate. No. So Ayla can sit. Baba, sit down here. Oh, yeah, there's lots of watermelon here. Come here.
Is it me, Daddy?
Here, sit down there. Have watermelon, mango.
Okay. So the puzzle's probably.
have to be this way? I'm not. Baby, don't think too much. Just want your touch. Don't wanna go home alone tonight. 보내지 않겠다고 말해. Baby, tell me that you feel it too. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져.
She woke up. She was awake when you guys left, right?
No.
Okay, well, she woke up. She woke up like, maybe not long when you left.
That's not much slime. That's slime. Daddy, that's pen.
Uh-oh.
No,
Oh,
Kuya Sak, choose that for you. What you say? What you say? Not that one.
that's Alice.
Alis yan, ate. Dinosaur!
Oh my gosh, so cute. What do you say?
You didn't even open it, man.
Open na. Oy, open mo na. Wait, baby. You got baby. Baby, you have yours, Baba. Ayla, you got yours there, baby. Get yours. Can you get Ayla, please? Look at yours, Ayla. Look. Yeah. Oh, dinosaur!
What do you say to Kuya Zach?
What you say, Kuya Sak? Let Ayla do a paint for your nails. Mas gusto nila lolis. Give me a kiss.
Yeah, big kiss to Tito Manay.
We have one of
Love you. Love
It's
you.
so big.
Yeah, that's for your next winter. What's that? That's, I like the color. I like the color.
Kitty.
Kuya Sak choose that one. That's your shoes, Baba?
And you have pink nail polish in your
Yeah, you got nail polish there. Sana kasyo.
Say my nail.
Yeah, whoa. That's your Kris Kringle, I think,
Is
ate.
this Holly's? Okay. Who was this
Since
one from?
kanino? Ayla?
Yes.
Nah. Well, you don't have phone yet, Baba.
Oh, is this for Johnny Boys?
I think so, yeah.
What's that we say?
Tony, or-
Yeah.
The long
That's your lollies. Let me see, ate. Oh, nice. Sarah.
TJ's or was that?
It's TJ.
TJ Manai, that's okay.
Okay. Baba, I like that, Sarah. Yeah.
I think, yeah, part TJ, the other part's yours. And then
This is,
all of this skin is part.
yeah. Ah. Ay, kay TJ to? Ang cute. Magugus- Yes, baby. Ay, ang ganda.
Like to me. Help me.
Gusto ko ang avocado. Ah, eto na.
Yan ba yung inano mo? Yeah.
Wow.
Sobrang nahirapan daw siya hanapin yan.
Wala sa Sephora. Sa Sephora ang meron.
Ewan ko.
Baka. Yeah, thanks, Lai. Ah, ito talaga yung gusto ko.
Parang in-order niya ata yun sa kung saan, parang website ata, tapos laging kinakancel kasi, yeah, parang ganun something, yeah.
Kasi ano to, 50, ilang ml ba ito? At 250.
So, sobrang ganda ba niyan?
Ang ganda ng review nito.
Okay.
Ako na lang magbukas yung kay
Oh, ayan, nasa likod mo.
kay Jan, di ba?
Yeah, from Tony din yan.
Kay Tony.
Mom, help me. Help me.
Pang-golf? Yeah.
Thanks, Tony.
Ayan, oh, pang-golf talaga.
Baby, suit niya na yung bigay ni Kuya Sak. Tapos yung shoes niya. Look at me, ate. Holly, yan yung nakuha niya sa Kris Kringle from Ayla. Ayan si Dodong.
You reckon that jacket? Bloody off.
Come on.
Oh, come on.
Ito yung table namin. Dito na pala kami, guys. Ayan, nagdo-drawing na sila. And, busog pa kami ni Ray. So, ang in-order lang namin is Patrick. Yung ano, dozen. Hali na lang kami. Busog na busog kami. Dami namin nakain. Tapos mag-dessert na lang kami.
Busog kami guys. So, isang dosena lang kami.
Half dozen. Meron na kami dito. That's alright. That's alright.
No, that was my son's apple juice.
Yeah.
Yeah, not you.
Ayan, Patrick namin. Ayan na.
Ayan, kita na. Ayan.
Kuha naman. Pero malayo.
Kasi hindi malaki.
Zoom in tayo. Hindi siya
Pero sobrang ano.
Oh, ayan na yung order. Chicken parmy. Ayan, Hawaiian kay Sak. Hawaiian parmy. Yung chicken parmy. Ano? Yeah, chicken. Hi.
Is the kids spaghetti quaira?
No.
No, that one. TJ.
No, you gotta have enough live cameras. I always think they give you too much shit, Zach.
Yeah, I think they're still waiting.
There's a whole bunch of things.
And then, chicken parmy kay Jan. Is it, no, beef parmy. They're good, yeah. Thank you.
I want the camera.
Kain na tayo, guys.
Sorry, baby. You want the guys to see you? Oh, wait. Yeah, that's not our camera. This one is. So, do you want the guys to see you here? There you go, Ayla. The guys are here.
Say hi.
Do you want to see the guys? I'll zoom you in.
I want to be the dog. I only want to be me. I don't want to be me.
Siya din daw.
Can the guy see you now? Hello, can the guy see you, Ala? All good, Ayla? Ayla, all good? Is it good, Dad?
I've only got the body yet.
Ah.
Oh, you got one. Yeah.
Just nakatatlo na ako. That looks good. So it's got bacon, Danny?
Sarap. Pa kami mag-dinner and dito na kami ulit sa sa caravan. Anong oras nasa yung aking phone? 7 o'clock na ata. Wait lang. Eh, yung binili ni Dan sa Kmart kanina. Tig-isa sila. Oh. Go, Arlo!
Go, hit him!
Go, Arlo!
You want me to help, Arlo? You want me to help? No! No!
Yeah.
Surprise.
In the... Go, Arlo! Ha! Hi!
Right,
See ya! See you, Dim. Bye na. Uwi na sila bukas. Si Kuya, dito siya nakatira. Ay, nakatira. Hindi, that's your baba. That's not her size, ate. Thank you, though. It's a bit small for ate.
See you, Yannico. We'll see you tomorrow, John.
You can wear that one. This is yeah, this is yours too.
Ay, lasa ba ito, Kuya?
Bye to Kuya. Hug, Kuya. Hug, Kuya. Hug. Hug. Arlo, hug, Kuya. Ah, cute ni Dong. Who's your best friend? Pini.
Who's your best friend, Kuya Zach? Ano who's your best friend?
Who's your best friend?
You met my dad.
Who's your best friend? Bye na kami. What are you watching, Ayla?
You'll show me later, okay?
What's that? Ayan, pinapanood nila. Rahawa kamay.
What is it about Alo?
Can you pause it?
Why?
Oh, what is watching? What is about? Arlo?
The Grange movie.
Dito pala tayo sa tindahan. 9:28 na, sabi ko kanina nung nag first live kami. Sabi ko balik ako alas 8 kaso natagalan naman kayo dun sa shed. Patya magla-live muna kami. Ayan. Magmay na rin kayo. Okay, mag-live muna tayo. Ang current situation. Sandali lang guys, i-vlog ko kayo.
Ano bang gusto niyo?
11:30 na, naggutom na po yung aking trabahador dito.
Meron ako nabenta.
Oh, ang dami niyang nabenta, oh.
Benta ko lotion, dalawa.
Dalawang lotion na aboni. Ang sarap ng aming ulam, guys. Gusto sana namin kainin yung gata, kaso paano? Paano? Bukas na lang siguro yun.
Ito tayo masarap.
Ang ngaya. Ayan po siya.
Kain tayo?
Kain.
Cause I think I do.